Okay. Whew. Here we go. Another day, another batch of insanity. Oh, for those of you watching in the future, this is the time where I gear up. Okay. Gonna go live on TikTok and YouTube at the same time here. All right. Going live on TikTok in 3, 2, 1. Let it rip. Oh, I have boys. All right. Let's see what we got here. Who's going to be the first to say GM or hello or good morning? Oh boy. All right. All right. I see people hopping in on TikTok. We got anyone in here on YouTube yet? One viewer so far. I'm sure that'll change soon. Good morning. Good morning. Let's see. Good morning, Kevin, Spike, Truth. What else do we have here? Wadner. Good morning, Chris. What's up? Bam. News Junkie, good morning. Hey, Pops. Michael, Abel, or Adele, I love you. Yo, Ryan. Hello. Sorry, I'm going to mispronounce your name, I'm sure of it. Siahe and Anais. Good morning. Surely a pullback is coming. Well, I mean, listen. Bitcoin hit $53,000, and then look at what happened. If you're not paying attention to the chart, good morning, Ogdog. If you're not paying attention to the chart, I mean, Bitcoin hit $53,000. I have been saying for months now that was going to be a hard level to break through. But if we break through there, my mindset shifts dramatically. So this is the battle right now. $53,000. Yeah, I'm going to sell my quant, like you said, with coins. Yeah. After new all-time high for Bitcoin. Although, you know, I've been doing a little bit of analysis, and I'm just going to say this. I'm looking at the XRP chart. I wouldn't be surprised if XRP made a move over the next couple weeks here. So AOS, is AOS doing well? 21.87. Yeah, AOS looks good. Guys, for those of you on TikTok, I am live on YouTube, World War Bitcoin. Hello, Matt. Why, after all-time high, bother to invest like Doge? Because Doge doesn't move until a new all-time high for Bitcoin. It's actually a fantastic play to invest in Doge after a new all-time high for Bitcoin. Let's go, David, GM. What do you think about Akash Network? I like Akash a lot. I know that Akash has been doing very well lately. So, yeah, oh my goodness. I'm not going to say it's up only for Akash, but 50-day EMA is like your golden opportunity. Cheapest place to buy crypto? I mean, listen, I've been taking advantage of the $29.99 a month thing on Coinbase and not paying any fees. It's been pretty great. So, hey, $29.99. ICP struggling to break through $14.50. I mean, we got to be more patient with these things. So I'm not worried about it. GN for me. All right, guys, again, for those of you on YouTube, I am live, or on TikTok, excuse me. I am live on YouTube. Jasmy's ripping. I'm live on YouTube, World War Bitcoin. Head on over there. I can't keep up with the chat on TikTok here, but I can on YouTube. Well, I can for the most part. RSI is way overbought. Yeah, Stochastic's overbought. RSI is overbought. It would be good for a correction, but like there's times when RSI has been overbought and we just kept on going up only. And if that's going to be the case, then man, then the bull run is on, and I'm not excited about that. So be stacking now on Doge. I honestly would not stack on Doge until we saw Bitcoin at like $65,000. NKN, don't know anything about it, sorry. Do you like casino gaming tokens? I'm not a gambler. So I'm going to separate a few things. Do I like them? Do I think they're going to do well? I think so. Do I like them personally? It's not for me. But link back to 13 soon? No. A lot of billionaires are selling heavy. If the stock market crashes, do you think crypto crashes? Yeah, I said that in a video last week. If the stock market crashes, crypto is going to crash. Yes. Yeah. And I guys, we are at the point. We are at the determining point right here where the stock market, well, no, sorry, $53,000. You know, I am seeing a lot of smart money, a lot of institutional investors selling their stocks. $53,000 is a major point. We break through that, and my mindset changes. Cello thoughts. I've given up on Cello. Adam, can I? Hey, what's up, V33? Can I be a mod? All right, Adam, you have a pretty. I'm sure you've been around a lot. I don't know how often you've been around. There's so many people here. So, Aurora, what's your price prediction for Akash? I don't have one yet. I'm sorry. Aurora to $10 CAD. It's possible. That's on the high end. I mean, you're talking about 26 cents United States right now. So, money printers turned on election year. I get it. I know. ENS, nothing. I've given up on Cello because it hasn't moved. You know, I think the play right now is the ones that have moved until a new all-time high for Bitcoin. When's a good time to buy Pendle? Pendle. So it's at 272 right now. I think when it gets to the 50-day EMA. 50-day EMA. So Cello, I gave up on it. It hasn't moved in over a year. I moved it into things that are more likely to move short term. 50-day EMA for Pendle, I think, is a good time to get in. It broke through the 20-day EMA. I don't think it's going to lose the 50-day EMA as support. So, hello, Sir Sabio. What's your Aurora price prediction? I don't have one. What do you think about LCX? I really like LCX. I called that last move to 35 cents and then the dip afterwards. I bought the dip. I bought it 20 cents, 50-day EMA, 382 retrace. So I would here's what I would do if you want to buy LCX. I would right now set a limit order at 22 cents. And if it hits there, great. Be happy about that. If not, if it doesn't do that, what I would do is I would wait for it to break through the 618 retrace. That's at 34.5 cents. And then come back down and test that as support. And so what I would expect is a breakthrough and then a retest at 34.5 cents. And that's where I would put in a price target or an entry. So my price target for LCX is $7.37. So how high do you think XRP will pump? If you're asking me short term, I wouldn't be surprised if a month from now XRP was over $1. ETH analysis. I don't know what to say about ETH, man. I've been saying $3,300 by May 23rd, and here we are on February 20th, and we hit 3,000 today. It's like, dude, what do we say about ETH? Maybe my target is too conservative. It didn't seem too conservative when ETH was at $2,200. Adam, I am live on YouTube. Yeah, I'm live on YouTube, everybody. World War Bitcoin. I am able to answer every question there right now, but not on TikTok here. So let's see. Oh, Axon Dow. I'm in on it. Very bullish on it. I don't have a price target. Let's see. Hello, yes, or Sabi. Is it too late to get into Pendle? I don't think so, and I think now is a good time. I have a $57 price target for Pendle. I prefer TikTok than YouTube. Okay, I mean, whatever you prefer, it's fine. All right. Can XTP go back to its all-time high? I have not looked at XTP in a while. So, dual game GTP, very bullish on it. But, again, the thing that I always say is you got to wait like a month and a half to get into dual. It's not going to do anything significant because of vesting in a month and a half. Palm AI Rocket. Okay, please don't. I saw your comment on TikTok here, and please don't spam. I'm just going to say that right now. Oh my goodness, I don't know what to say about this. So it got up to 17 cents. It's at 0.0017. You think it can go to all-time high? Not knowing a ton about it. I don't know. All right, MasterCard to UK residents, sure, but I don't think so. $2 million market cap, you never know. It's just those small market caps are so difficult to call. 53K, that's the level. Is AMP ever going to go back up? I bought a year ago. I think AMP's going to do a significant retrace. I don't think it's going to hit an all-time high. VRL, LCX, API3, Chlor, Render, Say, and ICP. Is this a good portfolio? I think it's a very good portfolio. Yeah. 53K in Bitcoin and then turned down. I mean, that's what happened today. Bitcoin hit 53K and now it's at 52,132 at this moment. Take on XRP. Just looking at the charts, man. XRP can do well short term here. Sold my AOs for profit and then dumped it into LCX when it dipped. Thoughts? That's the most difficult thing to do is to, thoughts when it dipped. Okay. That might be a good call. But listen, the biggest mistake that I made in 2021 was taking profits in some cryptos and then putting that straight into other cryptos without really diversifying in some way, putting it in Bitcoin or taking it into cash or something like that. So ETH can go higher than 3K, of course. Yeah. What about Beam? How do you see the next weeks? I'm bullish. Total 3 market cap is going to rise, in my opinion, to about 800 billion over the next few weeks. It's at 547 billion. And so Beam is going to be a big winner in that, in my opinion. So any price prediction on VRL and Chlor? No, I tend to stay away from price predictions on very small market cap cryptos. VRL's market cap is like 6 million. Chlor, I believe, is 30 million. If I get into Jasmy now, is it FOMO? It might be. Jasmy looks so good. So, I mean, I would assume that there's going to be a move down. I mean, it already. So what's an entry here? I wouldn't be surprised if we went back down to 0.008 right here. Lots of confluence there. I would set a limit order right at 0.008 for Jasmy. I'm going to long Mask. All right. Right about there. I wouldn't be surprised if it went right there. You can see yesterday that was resistance. So WorldCoin, I don't know. I know WorldCoin's doing well. I'm not interested in it. So Beam has a $1.8 billion market cap, not 500 billion. I was talking about the total 3 crypto market cap, not Beam. Of course, Beam doesn't have a $500 billion market cap. All right, for those of you on TikTok, I am live on YouTube. World War Bitcoin. I can't keep up with all of your questions on TikTok. I do respond to a few of them, but on YouTube, I can. So World War Bitcoin, head over there, and I will get to your question. Let's see. Palm AI. Glad I got into Jasmine because of you a couple weeks ago. Nice. All right. Good morning, Darlene. Casper thoughts. I've unloaded Casper. I'm cutting the losers. I'm not interested in Casper right now. After Bitcoin all-time high, sure, money will flow into it. So Sam, thank you for that heart. What do you think of Prime? Not paying attention to it all that much, but Prime is a small cap gaming crypto. So price target for Pith. I did a price prediction video on my YouTube channel for Pith. Where is that? $3.40. The problem with Pith is that their supply is quadrupling by May of 2025. So any thoughts on Jewel? Don't know enough about Jewel. Superverse, I just made a video yesterday on my top 3 gaming cryptos are Beam, Superverse, and Miria. Franz, thank you for that. Yeah, H-bar is pumping. Yeah, I see that. I don't think there's going to be much selling pressure right now for H-bar at 10 cents, but just wait. Just wait till it gets up to those retraces. I bought Solana at $65. Should I hold longer or sell? I think you should hold on to that. Not financial advice. Yeah. Let's see. Starknet Layer 2 on ETH. I don't know anything about Starknet. Sorry. And I'm not going to do like research on it during the live. Price target for ICP. I made a video on my YouTube channel, World War Bitcoin. You can head over there, see the video. My price target is $223.40. Dimensions, haven't paid much attention to it, but I do know it's a modular blockchain, right? And I think there's going to be a big modular blockchain push. So Can you please check out Ords? I'm not going to do that right now, Algo Trader. I'm sorry. The problem yesterday, I got so far behind on the questions that I will, that has to be on my list here. If not, I'm just going to add it right now, but I will look at it sooner. There's Ordy. Is that the same thing? Hey, what's up, Bull? AO is very bullish, $3.40 price target. NKN is another low cap D pin. Okay. All right, good to know. Are you done with DCAing this cycle? Pretty much. Now, I mean, there's always cryptos. Buying crypto is like it's an addiction. So I'm sure that there's still going to be things that I'm buying. But as far as DCAing, yeah. Can I PM you? Yeah, sure. Have you sold most of your crypto, or are you going too soon? As we see the total 3 crypto market cap get up to a 618 retrace, I'm going to be selling some of the crypto that I've been DCAing. So Pi went live yesterday. All right, I'll look into that. Should I wait for a dip with ICP? I think the dip was the last several weeks. I think it's about ready to go higher. I mean, look at that. Just the dip is the 20-day EMA. That's the dip. Thoughts on Rose? I have a video coming in a week or so with Rose, so I don't have anything for you right now. Let's see. Yeah, YouTube, World War Bitcoin. Let's see. Prediction for Caspa, $1.07. Low market cap coin. VRL, Syncus, and Chlor.ai, and there's so many others I could name. Next time you ask me that question, I'll name 3 different ones. Just did it. John just did something. I don't know what you did, but cool. Bullish on Swarm. I don't know anything about Swarm. Any update on Bitcoin wins the dip? I just made a video on my TikTok, and here's the thing. If there's going to be a dip of any significance, it really has to happen this week. The amount of Bitcoin... what's the first? VRL Birudo. The amount of Bitcoin that is being bought per day by these ETFs, it's 5 times the amount of Bitcoin that is mined per day. And so the dip has to happen very soon. If not, it's not happening. I mean, it's going to be very telling. Oh, yeah, and then Jetis is selling their GBTC shares. So, all right. What about buying Beam X instead of Beam? Beam X is the correct Beam. The one that's like 23 cents or something like that right now. So, all right. How does Bitcoin look short term? Yeah, I did just answer that question, so I'm gonna move on. Show your fib settings, Mohammed. I know that you've been asking me that. I don't even know. So my fib settings, I actually don't know in real time how to take care of that. So let me see something here. Jasmine 30 cents. When is the question? I mean, I could see that being soon here. Fib settings. Nope. Those are colors. Ay. I got nothing for you, Mohammed. I'll do this at another time. Yeah, I don't know how to do that in real time. So, why are billionaires selling off stocks? Maybe, stocks are at all-time highs, and economically things don't look amazing, but the timing is the big thing. Things move slowly. So, what do you mean Beam X is the right beam? There's people ask me all the time, like, which beam is the right beam? There's two different beams. The one that's not at 34 cents, at 3.4 cents. Just whatever, if you see a beam that's a different price than the 3.4 cents right now, that's not beam. So, AMP prediction, I don't have one. Let's see, can you rate my portfolio? Aurora, 5K, ICP, 3.5K, LCX, 3K, AOs, 1K, Proppy, 750. I'd rate that pretty high. I don't have a number off the top of my head for you, but let's see. How do I sell my crypto from Coinable wallet? I don't understand. I don't know how. I've never used Coinable wallet. Any opinion on S Fund? Looks like a good gaming crypto. I don't know anything about S Fund other than the fact that you just mentioned it's a gaming. I don't think Casper can 100x no, but gaming, you know, that's the one to be in right now. One of the ones to be in. Price target for Quant and Dot. It's on my spreadsheet here. So Quant is 1300 something, 1394, 1391. Polkadot is, oh, it's on here. Oh my goodness. Polkadot's 48 something. I remember that. All right, guys. I am live on YouTube, World War Bitcoin. I can't keep up with every question on TikTok here, but YouTube, World War Bitcoin. Have you heard of Ben Key? The first time I ever heard of Ben Key was a week ago. I still haven't looked into it. Is Kusama a good coin? It's okay. I like it better than the Polkadot, but I don't own any. Probably won't. Caspa, $1.07 price target for Caspa. Hey, Club Coin is a brand new project. Really cheap right now. Party to earn model that could be a game changer in the electronic music industry. All right, you know, I mean, sure. Sure. Thank you, V33. Those videos are really helpful. Thanks. Can I still DCA though? It's okay now. I would say, you know, before the Bitcoin halving, sure, you could DCA. Before an all-time high, that's all right. LCX prediction, $7.37. Please tell me which coin to buy now, sell after halving. Pendle. There's one. AI. A lot of AI coins, but AI coins have been ripping right now. Beam. There's many that I can name. I think if you just keep on listening to the live stream, you'll get a good feel for that. Pendle's going to be huge. I'm with you on that. Yeah. Pi is at $32. What? All right. I'll look into the after this live stream. I gave up mining Pi on my phone because I just didn't think it was ever going to be launched. If Pi is $32, I'm a millionaire right now. That just doesn't seem right. What do you think about Quant? Don't spam. What do I think about don't spamming? Little Demetheus. Stop spamming, please. Chlor. That's my answer, by the way. Quant, I'm a little nervous about Quant, I'll be honest. So where's that Pi price? I don't know, and I'm not going to look it up right now, but I'll look it up after the live stream. That's what somebody on my YouTube channel said. So Quant, I made a video about Quant. Quant is doing just fine with the things that they're doing. You know, thank you for those roses. I just, you know, the price action's been slow lately, and I do think that Quant, after a new all-time high for Bitcoin, will start ripping. Thoughts on XCAD? I don't really know enough. Haven't looked into it enough, so I'm sorry. Pi is $32.50. I have 1,600 Pi. I can only sell $350. This is insane. I have like over 10,000 Pi. That just, it seems too good to be true. Syncus. I saw a question about Syncus. Know what Syncus is. It's a pump and dump. Pump first. And no, it's not. Yeah, it doesn't seem like. All right. So pump first and then dump. I got in a chat with the one of the founders of Syncus. I think he's one of the founders. And I got pretty pissed off. I'll just say that. So anyway, oh, thank you. You're welcome. That doesn't mean I still own Syncus, and I still think it's going to do very well, but you're welcome for sharing my knowledge. All right. How do I not be greedy and get FOMO when the bull run starts? It's not easy. It's not easy. You've got to be disciplined. Buy my series on TikTok, Bitcoin University. It's going to give you lots and lots of data to help you remove the emotions and just Bitcoin University. It's on TikTok. Opinion on Jasmine, 11-cent price target. Thoughts on VET. I like VET a lot. I made a video on it. I gave it 33-cent price target. Let's see. All right, Mohammed, I'm going to do that. I'm going to do that after the live stream. That are basically the same price right now. I like that Excel. Where can I get it? Andres, I got you. Do you think Chlor will be listed on Uniswap? I don't know. I have no idea. Very bullish on it. Yeah, Axon keeps pumping. I don't have any predictions on AXGT. It launched last week. That's too much. Live on YouTube, World War Bitcoin. Head over there. I'm answering every question there. I'm trying to at least. NKN is another low cap gem. All right. What is a realistic projects that will 10x from here? You know, Hannah, I've been saying Thorchain is a high conviction play. If you're looking for a 10x, I really like Thorchain. All right. Pi, I'm not going to talk about Pi anymore. I'm just going to look into that after the live stream. GRT will 10x? I think so, yeah. Crow price prediction. It's on the spreadsheet, $1.80. Outside of investing in crypto, are you involved in staking or yield farming? Also, what is your opinion on both? Answers are always appreciated. I'm fine with staking if the lockup period isn't too long. You know, I have my Hex staking until May 31st of 2025. One of the biggest regrets in my life. I'm a little uncomfortable even with the what's it called? The 21-day locks for the Cosmos ecosystem. But I want to take advantage of the airdrops. So yield farming, not a big fan. Yield farming, the risk with impermanent loss is just, it's too much. Unless you do like ETH in a stable coin. But there's a lot of them that promise huge returns and it's too risky. Can you check Mind? I'm not going to research cryptos I don't know right now in the live stream. I'm trying to keep up as much as possible. So with the chat here. 3243. Okay. MND now. What's the best low market cap AI coin? In my opinion, it is Chlor AI. Chlor. Yes, thank you, V33. Thoughts on UFI? Don't know enough. What's the best low cap? Oh yeah, answered that. How do I sell crypto? Yeah, I don't have that. Hello, Teratimo. Do you still stake Syncus? I am staking Syncus. I have no problem staking Syncus because, but you're welcome, George. All right, VRL will 100x. I'm not with you on that, but I think it's going to do very well. I stake my Syncus because I could unstake it at any time. So, ooh, I just got a friend request on Facebook. Oh no. All right, sorry about that on TikTok there. This price action reminds me of when we were at 43K, means we're going to moon soon. I hope you're right, Adam. It reminds me of late 2020, early 2021, when Bitcoin just kept on going up. Centrifuge, don't know enough. How do I sell crypto? Yeah, Coinbase wallet. I have not sold crypto on Coinbase wallet. I've just bought some. You're probably going to have to transfer out. I would assume you'd have to transfer out. So 1 billion Jasmine, a good number to accumulate, or should I aim to diversify? I would never have one of any one crypto. You know, anything could happen. But a billion Jasmine, that's a lot of Jasmine. Jasmine's at a penny right now. That's $1 million. That's $10 million. You're going to buy a billion Jasmine? TikTok's far ahead of YouTube. Yeah, I think it is. Thoughts on Sora? It just launched. Don't know anything about Sora. Would you please check TIA chart? TIA, I'm bullish on Celestia until October 30th. I've talked about that a decent amount. All right, 17. I mean, man, you know, Celestia seems to be doing just fine. All right, is it losing the 20-day EMA? It hasn't touched it. It hasn't even touched its 50-day EMA since it launched. I'd have no problem buying Celestia right now. OX number. I made a video on OX number on my TikTok a couple days ago. I like it. Yeah. I think it's going to do very well. Very small market cap, under 5 million right now. So can you start doing your lives at 12? Yeah, sure. Did you cover VRA? I have not. I made a video on VRA. 22.5 cents is my price target. So can't buy XRP on Kraken or Coinbase is because I'm in NYC. It's hard to buy XRP in general. So, all right, VRA need some time to cool off. Stochastic's overbought on the daily. I'd wait at least for the 20-day EMA. maybe this is a new uptrend. You know, we'll see. We'll see what kind of low it puts in. It's probably going to put in a higher low. So, what happened to your weekly quant review? Nothing's happened with quant. Did I say I was going to do weekly? I probably did, because quant gets a lot of. You can buy Chlor on MEXC. You can buy lots of. Or sorry, yeah, quant. If I said that, I'm sorry. I say lots of things and then I forget that I'm saying them. Crypto dumping. Oh no. Oh no. Crypto's dumping. Yeah, I mean, we hit the 702 retrace, $53,000. So, all right. Want to see your reaction when you check Pi? Sure. Tau. Tau has been on a tear, but it looks like it's finally cooling off. So Tau. $600. Losing the 1.618 retrace. 20-day EMA. Looks like a good entry for Tau. Yesterday, I was excited about buying at the 1.618. If it's going to lose that 20-day EMA. So, what cold wallet supports Chlor? I don't know. You can get on MEXC. What one coin would you recommend for profit the next 6 months? One coin? I mean, man, I'll go with Pendle. So it's just so hard to say one coin. Spill the tea. What happened with the founder of Syncus? He offered me $10,000 a month to make a video every day. And I was like, there's no way on God's green earth I'm making a video every day on Syncus. Get out of here. The only crypto I'm willing to make a video on every day is Bitcoin. And then even like, I would not, that would just, the credibility aspect of that, like, it's so outside of my niche, you know? I would have to fundamentally change who I am as a content creator to make a video every day on Syncus of all cryptocurrencies. I like Syncus for the ride that we're going to go on. You're worth more than was offered. Thank you. Where can I see your vet analysis? I mean, on my price target sheet, you can see vet. You're welcome. I don't have a price prediction on Syncus. I'm happy to hold it until $1 million or $100 million market cap. He was like, bro, we're riding this to $4 billion market cap. I hope he's right. I'll have well over 6 figures worth of Syncus at that time. But my goodness, man. Just call yourself the new weatherman? Okay. What about Phantom, Walmart H bar? Sure. What about Phantom? I'm not surprised. I mean, Phantom's moving. It's going to outperform H bar, but only because they have better marketing. Resistance right here. Be careful with that. Your integrity is worth much more. Yeah, but I have a family to provide for. And so I said no. Do you think Ethereum Classic will 20x from here? Oh, sorry, I missed a few comments. Let me answer this question first. Again, for those of you on TikTok, I am live on YouTube, World War Bitcoin. 20x, okay, all-time high is what? 175, I think, and it went up there so fast. No, not even 175. Oh yeah, 175. So 20x would be, no, I don't think it's going to do a 20x. If so, it'll be in a day, you know. So, but I do like Ethereum Classic. Where are we? All right, are you still bullish on Zay, Tau, Illuvium, and API 3? I was never too excited about Illuvium. Yeah, I was never too excited about Illuvium, but I do have a $1,000 price target for it. But Zay until July. Until July. After that, it's going to be too inflationary. API 3, yes. Yeah, Tau, yes. I would like to ask you about that Excel. Those are the price for what total market cap? 7K. Or 7 trillion, excuse me, not 7K. Um, let's see. When you say bearish, you mean the lowest price, but with what total market cap? Probably like a $2.3 trillion market cap would be, in my opinion, the worst case scenario. We're at 1.9 trillion right now. Let's see. Hi, when do you think it would be a good time to get back into Jasmy? I did just put that on the chart here. So, oh, that's Jasmy Bitcoin. I was like, what? Jasmy's there? Oh, gonna go back to the daily here. Honey still a good buy. I've not looked at a honey chart. I'm gonna make a video on my YouTube channel here in a few. World War Bitcoin. I'm answering every question on YouTube. World War Bitcoin. So, oh gosh. So right there, that pink line there, that's my entry. Please, Solana chart. Solana. That fib. I can't see it breaking through that fib to the downside. 105.66. Tau, yeah, talk about that. XLM's not going to do anything significant short term. I mean, look at that. It's just been dragging along, did very well. I mean, we'll see. I did say XRP, I think, is going to be over $1 within the next month or so. So maybe XLM would get up to $20, 20 cents or something like that. So, oh, is there a fake Calvin Hill in here? The fake Calvin Hills are notorious, man. Let's see. Where do we get your price target list? I'll paste it in here again. Into gaming tokens. Would love your views on Mavia. I am into gaming tokens. I think that a lot of them are pretty trash, but will still pump. My three favorite are Beam, Superverse, and Miria. I do not know anything about Mavia, but I'll look into it eventually. Do you have price targets for TIA and Manta? For Celestia, it's $67.55. Can Algorand reach $2? I do not think so. No. Decentralized Social. I haven't done a deep dive on it. It's interesting to me. We'll see. I mean, they're the launch pad, right? Launch pad for decentralized social. Cardano, $10. My target is $4.86. Yeah, Phantom talked about that. Have you seen OX scans? I don't know anything about OX scans. No. Thanks. Just wanted to make sure you're still confident in VRA. Yeah. Thank you, Scott. Do you think your LCX prediction is conservative? No, I do not think my LCX prediction is conservative. What do you think of AVAX? I like it. I like other layer ones more, but AVAX, AVAX to $223 is my price target. So lots of room to the upside with AVAX. Where is that? Right there, $232. So I bought Jasmy at 0.0059. What should I do in the short term? Honestly, I just think you should hold on to it, not financial advice. What are those lines in the chart? It's a lot of moving averages, if that's what you're asking. But then there's fib levels too. So the Excel you just show, what are the total market cap you are assuming? Yeah, 7 trillion for the bullish side. Zay, July 2024 or in 2025? Why until July, please? July of 2024, there's going to be some massive unlocks with Zay. AO's honest price prediction, $3.40. I made a video on my YouTube channel, World War Bitcoin. Head over there, hit the subscribe button. OLAS, have you covered it? I don't know anything about OLAS. I'll get there. Can you do a segment to rate portfolio? I mean, if you want to ask me, put your portfolio in here, I'll give some thoughts. Can you please check ETH? I mean, I know ETH's been on a tear, and I've been saying $3,300 between now and May 23rd, which is the Van Eck ETF. Let's see if it holds this next fib level here. What is that, the 0.5? So, yeah, that's a 0.5. I wouldn't be surprised. I think that would be a good entry right there. $2,865. So, Chlor AI, I don't have a price prediction for Chlor AI. Yeah, massive unlocks. Yep. Price prediction for OMI, I don't have one, sorry. How long have you been trading crypto? Trading crypto? I mean, buying and selling, I don't do much leverage. You know, I'll dabble a little bit, but if you're just talking about buying and selling, I bought my first crypto in 2013, but then didn't really get into it. Like, you know, paying attention to the charts every day. I was there in 2017, but paying attention to charts every day, 2020. So, did you check ZK Swap? I have not. It looks very interesting. I'm gonna check it out when I need to swap something. So I'll actually do that after this live stream. So, do you hold AGIX high conviction? I actually don't hold any AGIX. It's not the easiest to get. I could pay a decent amount of fees on Coinbase. I'm pretty diversified in AI. So if AGIX is the big winner, yeah. So I think ETH will hit 2865. If AGIX is the big winner, oh well, you know. But I think just those AI cryptos, there's lots to do to spread out in. All right, let's get through these questions here. Not sure if I should hold long term. Okay, what VPN do you like? I don't use Nord, but Nord seems to be the way to go. It's pretty cheap too. It's like a couple bucks a month. Thoughts on Cody? Cody is coming very soon on my YouTube channel here. So, or in a couple weeks. It's on there. It's on the list for sure. So, Seek VR, don't know enough. 2865 now or later, like maybe this week. You know, if it doesn't happen this week, it's probably not going to happen. But do you think a 10 to 20x long on Injective is dumb? I think 10 to 20x on anything is dumb. So, do you have a video about Superverse price prediction? I don't have a video for Superverse price prediction. I did just talk about Superverse in a video yesterday. I'm bullish until then. Have you looked into Alex Labs? I have not done a deep dive on it. I know that they have a lot of money locked in. So there is that. So a lot of TVL. ACH chart. No, I don't have that on my trading view. I don't pay attention to Alchemy Pay all that much. What's this Syncus DAO about? I'm in it. I'm bullish. I shared some thoughts earlier too. Yeah, Cody, don't have anything. 100x is Shido for sure. I'll take a look at Shido here. You think marked going more down or just a correction? I think dips are going to be pretty minimal. If this is the week, for corrections. You know, tokenomics. I mean, I like Alchemy Pay. I've used it. I just don't have any thoughts to share on with charting for Alchemy Pay. So, when do you think the bull run is going to start? About a year ago. FET short term. It's always scary with cryptocurrencies that go on a tear like what FET has done. You know, maybe a bounce off the 786 retrace here. But VRL thoughts on the upcoming bull market, very bullish. VRL, man, VRL. It's controversial, but I think, listen, I want to share with you my honest thoughts. I think you look at the founders and you see that they're Middle Eastern and you're being a racist. So some of you, I honestly think that's, especially those of you in the UK. I mean, those of you not in the United States, I mean, maybe even some of you in the United States, but I know especially in the UK, you don't think that any Middle Easterner is honest. So they've proven themselves to me, and I push them really hard. Yeah, Middle Eastern are highly intelligent. Yeah. What do you think about Shiba Inu? Don't touch it until after a Bitcoin all-time high. All right, Shido 100x. Okay, Nasir. Yeah, I hope you're right. What do you think about OPSEC? I don't know anything about it. Is Bitcoin going to dump further right now or pump? This is the week for any kind of dump with Bitcoin, because Genesis selling $1.6 billion of Grayscale Trust shares. So I was just talking about VRL. I like it. I mean, the chart, I can see why people are asking about OPSEC. What's OPSEC? The mission to explore, implement, and guide the creation of a secure, efficient, decentralized ecosystem Not really telling me much on coinmarketcap.com, and I'm going to move on. So, do you think VeChain will go to $1? Many are saying it will. I do not. No, I think VeChain will go to 33 cents. Can I PM me? Yeah, go ahead, Cage. If it's a random crypto question, I probably won't respond. If there's something else, like if I responded to every message that I got, I would spend all day just responding to messages. So, all right, XRP, Cardano, ICP, IMX, Near, Say, Beam, Quant, PAL, AGIX, AOS, LCX, Say, XYO, XCN, UFI. I give you an 8. IMX doesn't have that much higher to go right now. It's at a $4.5 billion market cap. XRP, just not excited about XRP in general. Cardano, older cryptocurrency. $4.86 is my price target, so there's that. Chainlink, I don't think is putting in a new all-time high. But I'm in the minority on that. So, yeah, FET short term. It's just hard to say with pumps like that. Have you looked into Zeta Chain? Yeah, I've looked into Zeta Chain. I made a video on it. I bought some. I didn't buy a ton. I have like $500 worth of Zeta Chain. Hasn't done well over the last few days, but I'm not worried about that. I really like Zeta Chain, yeah. Love Beam 2, any buy zones? I mean, Beam has been just going up and up and up. So that was a buy zone. Don't pay attention to that pink line there. LimeWire is going to be an epic pump and dump. I saw a question about that. Pump first, but then dump. Yeah, we're not waiting. We're not waiting for that. We retested that perfectly. The 27 cents, that's gone. Otherwise, I mean, maybe the 4-hour chart will give us something here. There isn't much. I mean, even we retested that level right there. We kind of did. Maybe that would be the next one. I'm not going to draw a line, but that local top, just don't really know what to say. Is it a good time to dump my 25 Ethereum for alts? Let me know your thoughts. If all you have is Ethereum, you don't have any alts right now, I would be diversifying, not financial advice. So if you had to trade Injective long or short right now, long, very much so. Fact Token, I don't know anything about Fact Token. Any thoughts about this new Sora AI, which is text AI? I don't know anything about it. And I'm way behind, so I'm going to fly through here. Oh my goodness, where am I? Hold FET for now or sell, I'd hold it. BlackRock and Coinbase, buy and fund. Factorn, okay. VPN already. Should we hodl Myria and Chlor from now till after having bull run, when and if that happens? Yes. What was the peak of the total market cap in 2021? $3 trillion. Why will XRP pump to $1 over the next month? I'm looking at the volatility contraction, and I don't want to take the time to explain it right now, but you reckon we will have a correction soon? I mean, we're kind of having a correction right now. We pumped up to $53,000 and then dumped pretty hard from there. So is Sync on MEXC the same as Syncus? I have no idea. I do not use MEXC. So top 5 high conviction AI plays. I mean, Chlor and PAL, they're lower market cap. Tau is very high conviction. Fetch AI and AGIX. If you sign up for Coinbase One, they waive fees and just monthly payment. Yeah, that's what I've been doing. Don't understand the bearish price. You mean if total market cap goes to, let's say, 7 trillion, those are the lower and higher price. Andres, I'm going to have to stop answering your questions about my spreadsheet. 2.3 trillion is the bearish price target. I could see, there's a scenario in my head where I could see the entire crypto market cap peaking at $2.3 trillion. And then we just go to lower lows in the bear market. Now, the 1 minute chart, I'm not paying attention to the 1 minute chart. Now, normal cycle scenario where we put in new all-time highs, that's the green section here, $155,000 Bitcoin. Yes, don't sell FET. I wouldn't right now. What about AIT? That's on my short list of cryptos to review. I don't know anything about it. ADA 40% Link, 40% Matic 10%, last 10%, Quant, HBAR, Arbitrum, IMX, Caspa, and ETH. That is a very safe portfolio, Rateb. It's an older crypto portfolio. You'll do okay. I think you could do better with some some adding some risk into that. Smaller cap cryptos. So, oh man, where am I? All right. Bullish on Shido and Sora AI. Don't know anything about it. ICP, LCX, Pendle, Thorchain, Flux, Near, Render, .vrl, and Ondo. That's a solid bag, yeah. What coins do you think will do the most X's this cycle? Some random meme coin that hasn't been launched yet. Good luck. You know, may the Lord bless you and keep you and make his face shine upon you. Dogecoin, don't buy Dogecoin until after new all-time high. Is an 11x on GRT and near conservative? It's not conservative for near. GRT, I mean, GRT's been pumping a lot lately, so I don't know. I have a $2.92 price target. Bullish on Anchor. Haven't paid attention to Anchor since 2021. All right, I posted my portfolio. Yeah, you did. Okay. What do you think Pendle is going to? Why do you think Pendle is going to $57? Best explanation. Why so bullish? Pendle. Watch my video. You know, Pendle has a potential to grab a hold of lots and lots of narratives. It's a first mover in advancements in DeFi that we've never seen before. TVL has jumped from 426 million on January 26th to 1.3 trillion a few days ago. It might be even higher than right now. I don't think LCX will hit 15 cents. No. Top three short term, I've got nothing for you. I just, you know, a lot of the ones that have been chopping lately. So maybe LCX, maybe ICP, Injective. Thought and rough prediction on ApeCoin, I got nothing. I don't pay attention to ApeCoin. Solana, ICP, Near, Say, AOS, Ajax, API 3, Render, Beam, rank please. Most have $1,600, $6,000. That's pretty good. That's very good actually. You know, I mean, I would look under $1 billion in market cap. All of those are over $1 billion. So except for AOS and maybe Ajax. So LCX going to 50x. It seems aggressive to me, but I like it a lot. OrdiSwap, don't know enough. AKT or Ajax. Listen, Ajax can make all your wildest dreams come true. But what's up? Crypto Rican Queen. What's up? Hey. It's been a while. Good to see you. Ajax, I'm not a huge fan of Ajax. I don't like the Singularity Net marketplace. It's kind of, it's new. They need a lot of work. So I'm going to say Akash, but Ajax can go crazy. So, yes. All right, I'm live on YouTube, everybody. World War Bitcoin. Thoughts about WorldCoin? I'm not touching WorldCoin. Way too much supply getting released soon. Ajax, ICP, XRP, XLM, LCX. I'd rate that portfolio like a 6.5. Good morning, FD. OrdiSwap, yeah, nothing. FD, thank you so much. Thoughts about Word? Don't have any thoughts about Word. What are your top 3 cryptos to invest for this bull run? I could give you a top 3 right now, and then I would, next time you ask that question, I'll give you another top 3. So how about Injective, Pendle, and Chlor.ai? Where can I see your Excel? Copy paste. I just posted it here. Thoughts on OrdiSwap? Yeah, I got nothing. Just got in. Can you recap ICP? I think ICP is gonna go much higher soon here. So I think it's ready. So am I caught up? Oh my goodness, I'm actually caught up on YouTube. Will LCX drop to 23, 24 to buy again? I've been saying 2 things about LCX. Set a limit order, not financial advice. I would set a limit order at 22 cents. And maybe we'll see a double bottom, a swing pattern failure before the next leg up. If that doesn't happen, I would wait for confirmation that wouldn't happen through a breakthrough of the 618 retrace, which is 34.5 cents, and then a retest of that retrace. So if I hold ICP, Near, Vet, AOS, LCX, should I diversify one of my large caps into low caps? That's a good diversification. I would not diversify out of that. Bro finally caught up to the comments. Yeah. What's your price prediction for near? Could you please look at the chart? Near price target, absolute best case scenario is $46. Absolute best case scenario. That is if they become an access cryptocurrency. So 336. It's just kind of been ranging lately. You know, 50-day EMA right now. I think Near is it's a great place to buy Near right now. What's up with VRL? Nothing. Very bullish on it. That's all I got. Any thoughts on Crust? I got nothing. THX, don't know anything about it. How do you buy on MEXC in the US? You need to use a VPN. What do you think of Mint Layer? I love Mint Layer. Bullish, very bullish on Mint Layer. Bitcoin Layer 2. What's up with Tron? Tron's just moving, man. Tron's moving. They make money. They can deflate their supply. So, would you transfer all your ETH to Solana for a more medium risk portfolio? I would not. No, not ETH to Solana. Solana already did a 15x from its bear market bottom. What did you say about Clore AI? It's my favorite small cap AI crypto. Immutable X is already pumped too much. $4.5 billion market cap. Doesn't have much higher to go, in my opinion. $12.89 is my price target for IMX. Cybria, I don't know anything about Cybria. Dumb to add Mint Layer to my bag right now? I don't think so. Not financial advice. Near ICP, STX, Pendle, Manta, VRA. How would you rate it? I'd rate that pretty high. I don't like, 8 to 9, something like that. Buy zone for Pendle, 50-day EMA. Where's Pendle? It's at 265 right now. That's a 4-hour chart. I'm not surprised at all to see it finally coming down here. Oh, shoot. I just moved the fibs. 50-day EMA right there. That's the buy zone. Now, sure, it will rise. The 50-day EMA will rise, but is LCX a good long-term crypto or just good for this cycle? Nothing's good long-term. Just for this cycle. Could you please talk about your top 5 high conviction plays for AI? I already did. Yeah. I said Tau, Clore, Fetch. Yeah, I don't think Cybria is going to $1. Could you please look at Cadena? I'm not a huge fan of Cadena, but I'll look at it. All right, for those of you on TikTok, I am live on YouTube, World War Bitcoin. World War Bitcoin. Head on over there. I am actually able to answer every question on YouTube. I cannot do that on TikTok. So, where are we? 0.5. Did a test of that 382 from swing low to swing high. I don't think it's putting in a lower low there. I don't think it's putting in a lower low than this price target here, 94 cents. Riding the 20-day right now. I would think another retest of the 0.5 is in order. $1.05, that would be my entry. So, all right, ICP for this bull run, low, high. All right, ICP, 75, 71, and 223.40. LCX, ICP, Solana, VET, XRP, TIA, IMX, ADA, XCN, SHIB, Sync, VR, PAL. Okay, all those. I mean, all right, that's a lot to process in one comment, Kenneth, but your portfolio looks solid. Dogecoin should go up very soon. We'll see. Thank you, RMS. I try to answer everyone. It's not easy. So Bitcoin is on a downtrend as of now. I would not say that. I would say that this week, if we're going to see anything crazy this week, this is the week. If we don't see any major correction or minor correction this week, then next week I'm not expecting nearly as much of a correction. Does inflation matter for lower market cap cryptos? Not as much. Not as much. Casper price target $1.07. What's your prediction for Mint Layer? I don't have one. I'm just very bullish on it. Bro, I got $30,000 in LCX. Give me a prediction. $7.37. Paladin AI. Don't know anything about it. And I'm already behind again. In your opinion, how much should be invested per coin? Percentages, top 50 cryptos, I would say at least half. And then I don't know what to say, after that, I'd be looking into niches. So I'd put like 20% into AI. So let's forget about the half. 20% AI, 40% layer ones, 15% gaming. DPIN would need a decent amount, but a lot of AI cryptos are DPIN. Bitcoin layer 2s, I'd be putting a solid chunk to that. Why do you think Solana won't do well? I think Solana's going to $694. But that's only a 6x from here. Thoughts on Sandbox and Decentraland right now? I think Metaverse is good for Euphoria after a new all-time high for Bitcoin. Not right now. So, how would you rate the following portfolio? Link, ICP, Super Stacks, and Akash. It's a good portfolio. I have no problem with any of those cryptos. I mean, I'm not a huge fan of Chainlink for the short term, for the bull run. Any gripe, I'd say Chainlink, but you never know. Yeah, Paladin AI, I don't know anything about it. Do you think WSM will do anything? I don't know what WSM is. So, AOs or near AOs? Thoughts, prediction on gods? I've got nothing on gods. Gods Unchained. Gaming can make all your wildest dreams come true. Algorand is not dead. No. Fetch or Ajax? For me, it's Fetch. A lot of other people say Ajax. Are you able to explain more what you meant when you said nothing is a good long-term play? I mean, Bitcoin's a good long-term play, but I do believe that crypto is a bubble. I do believe that a lot of cryptos are going to go to zero, that a lot of cryptos are just vaporware, and we're just throwing our money at whatever sticks, And so, what do you want me to say? There will be a day when several different cryptos will rise from the ashes like a phoenix. But where are we? Where are we? If this is the .com bubble 2.0, where are we? Is it 1996 and we have a few more years to go, or is it 1999 and we're about done for the short term at least? So, all right. Do you think today's drop is going to higher correction? You think, as in it's going to get worse? It certainly can, but I've been saying this is the week. So early adopter phase still. I hope you're right, School of Moxie. So again, for those of you on TikTok, I am live on YouTube. World War Bitcoin. Bullish on Miria, excuse me. Yes. Bullish on Miria. Nothing lasts forever. Yep. Yes, correction this week because of Genesis selling their Grayscale shares. Tau, Caspa, Say, LCX, it's fine. Say's a gamble. It's like, show me the money. They don't have any, they want to be a big DeFi crypto. And I don't see it. They have $10 million locked in. That's a very small amount. So Jupiter can do very well. I don't have a price prediction for Jupiter. All right, for those of you on TikTok, here's the deal. Drink some water. That's a good idea. I will, if my wife packed water in my lunch, I will drink some water. Yes, she did. All right. Great suggestion. All right, for those of you on TikTok, I am switching over right now to a subscriber-only live stream. Chat, a subscriber-only live stream. If you want to continue with this live stream, head on over to YouTube. I will be I am live on YouTube. World War Bitcoin. World War Bitcoin. All right. All right, let's get through these questions on TikTok here. All right, what's up, boss? I saw you had Myria as one of your top 3 gaming plays. Any thoughts on GFAL? I assume you'd go for Myria over GFAL, or Miria, excuse me. I own some GFAL. I don't know, man. It might be biased because the price action has been terrible on GFAL lately. I like GFAL, but I would say I like it over Miria. I like Miria over GFAL. Thoughts, prediction on Hello. You know what? Hello's going on the list. I get questions about it every day. I'm just not interested. V33, what plays do you have planned this week? I don't know. I would be looking for the ones that pumped in December and January and then have been consolidating lately. Or, LCX and Injective. So G Swift, I don't know anything about G Swift. Syncus, I'm bullish on Syncus until at least $100 million, and then I'll reevaluate after that market cap wise. Alex, thoughts on Sei, Sui, and Super? Sei and Sui have unique problems. Sei does not have any money in their ecosystem. I'm not excited about that in that regard. Sui has a very highly inflationary forward-looking supply, so I'm not excited about that in that regard. Between the two, I do prefer Sui. Superverse, I just made a video about it yesterday on my TikTok, and I posted that TikTok on YouTube. I like Superverse a lot. It's one of my top 3 gaming cryptos. Can you do QRDO, please? I'm sorry, I know you've been waiting for a while, but I'm not going to do research on cryptos I don't know during the live stream. That slows me down a lot, and I'm trying to answer every question here. Trade Shiba for Fetch. That's a dangerous game to be playing right now because Fetch has done very well lately, but the party can certainly be over. It did an 80% rise in 2 weeks. So what do you want to say? You want Fetch right now? Beam price prediction, 27 cents. Can you make a video on LCX and reading the chart and good times to buy? I've already made 2. I'm thinking about making a 3rd video on that. So Chainlink coin and SNX coin. Oh, shoot. All right, please. I'll be happy to rate portfolios, but please no more portfolio questions. That's kind of a frustrating thing to do. Wow, I'm so far behind again. All right, Chainlink coin and SNX coin. Synthetics, not paying attention to synthetics. Chainlink price target is $58, around there. IMX price target is $12.89. That was one of my top bear market buys. It's not anymore. It's just pumped too much. I don't want to see an all-time high in Bitcoin before the halving. I'm with you on that, but whatever happens, happens, What about G Swift? Don't know anything about it. Axon DAO, thoughts on this right now? Too early for a price prediction. It is too early for a price prediction, but I'm in it. I really like it. So it pumped a lot last week. People are going to be taking profits for a little bit. So, all right, what's next? Alex, what's your thoughts on Trias? I don't have a video on that. That's coming in a few weeks here. So don't know enough about it. Viot, small cap AI should do well. GRT was one of my top 5 bear market buys. And it's not, we're out of the bear market, so I'm not saying it's not. I'm very bullish on GRT. I know that it's done very well over the last couple of weeks here. So what are you going to do? You're going to buy a chart like that? I'd at least wait for the 20-day EMA. But I do have a price target of $2.92 for GRT. Ator, don't have any analysis on Ator. I did look at it, and I like it a lot fundamentally. I will say that. And I'm all for everything that Tor stands for. Now, the Tor browser is pretty clunky. It's actually a terrible user experience, but it's all right. WorldCoin, I'm not interested in WorldCoin. I know that WorldCoin has done very well lately over the last few days here. And that's probably because of that ChatGPT upgrade. But you've got to remember with WorldCoin, their circulating supply, what is that? It's at 1.31%. So live on YouTube, everybody. Live on YouTube. Yeah, I wouldn't be buying that. Let's see. Would you rate my portfolio? Panet. I don't know what Panet is. Sync, Caspa, Propsy, Zig, ML, VRA, AIX, and LCX. The ones that you have, Mo, I like. The ones that I know about, I like. I don't know anything about Panet. I don't know anything about Zig. AIX, don't know anything about it. But Propsy, yes. I really like Propsy as an RWH choice. And then Caspa, Sync, very much so. So I like it. Algorand's not hitting a new all-time high. That's all I'll say. Talked a lot about Algorand. Could it hit $1? Could it hit $2? Probably not $2. But I'm not touching. I don't own any Algorand. I will one day. Sure, it's done okay the last few days here, but Algorand is a big bear market buy for me next bear market. And HBAR, but not right now. Storage, I don't know anything about. Well, no, I know that storage is a storage cryptocurrency. Excuse me. Smaller cap, API 3, and even though API 3 and Filecoin are much different, people lump in API 3 and Filecoin all the time. So, all right, let's see storage. Anyway. Thoughts on Node AI GPU? Alex Becker mentioned this in his Twitter. I've never heard of it. Yeah, sorry. But Node, Alex Becker has a huge following, so you never know. Would you rate my portfolio? I answered that already. Portfolio, ICP, ADA, LCX, render, near, GRT, vet, blah, 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 blah. Let's see. They're all fine. I mean, Mana and Blur will pump after a new all-time high for Bitcoin. How do you find tokens to go 1,000% before they do? A lot of it is luck. And a lot of it is, for Solana, it was just like, I remember Solana in 2021. I remember that being the place where after ETH gas fees got too high, it was like, man, Solana's the next best option. So I just thought the same thing would happen again this time. IMX, I don't know what to say about IMX. I've just been bullish on it. A very significant Ethereum layer 2 that's trying to help with the gas fees, with NFTs at least. So thoughts on Aptos. I have a video coming soon on Aptos. I need to give it more attention. That's next week on my YouTube channel here. So Aptos, there are certain things I like about it fundamentally. I mean, there's a lot of potential for growth, a lot of money locked in. So I like it. But I'll give you a comment with more conviction in about a week. So let's see. G Swift, yeah, I got nothing. All right. Please don't spam, guys. What's going on with Pendle? It was up only for quite a while, and now it's finally, thankfully, correcting. 50-day EMA. That's what I'm saying about Pendle. 50-day EMA right there. So, hello, Jose. 30K investment in sold picks. What estimated amount do you think my value looks like by November? Oh, solid picks. That's a very difficult question to answer, Albert. I do think it seems to me like we're front running this bull run pretty hard. And so if we're going to see new all-time highs with Bitcoin by November, that I could see that being the peak of euphoria. And so who knows? Maybe you'll be at 300,000, 600,000, something like that. Maybe we're just going to see a normal cycle where everything peaks in November of 2025. And if so, then your 30K portfolio will be worth much more than what it would be in November of 2024 if we were to peak. So I'm HMA. What? How do you feel about Honey? Do you feel it has good potential? DPIN has very good potential. Honey is coming very soon on my YouTube channel this week. So let me give you a more convincing answer in a little bit. CKB, don't know enough. Yeah, answered your question, AKZ. HBAR, I'm not super excited about HBAR. I give a 43-cent price target. And, you know, that's a video. I made a video titled "Don't buy H bar, you stupid idiot." That's something that if I'm wrong about that, the H bar people are going to be in my face. But I don't think H bar is going to $1. I don't think it's hitting a new all-time high. So, what do you prefer, gold or Bitcoin? Bitcoin. I like gold though, and very few people who like Bitcoin like gold, but I do like gold. Hello, Marvin. Thoughts on XRP? Oh, man. Wow, I'm so far behind. What would be a good outcome from the court case? I mean, we already had the biggest. Oh, Chris, thank you so much for the subscription there. Any question you want to ask, I'll be happy to answer it in this sub-only live stream. The outcome from the court case, the biggest hurdle has already been overcome with XRP. So I'm not expecting anything significant, any new changes. I do have a $3.02 price target for XRP. So, oh, great. I really appreciate that, Chris. ALT, I don't know anything about ALT. 50% ICP, Cody, Vet, Jasmine, AOs. All right, this is the last. Winston's portfolio question is the last question I'm going to answer. I'm not a fan of the rate my portfolio question. So, you know, you could diversify more with that. Jasmine, AOs, I think those are going to be, I like the level of risk there. ICP, 50% of any crypto not named Bitcoin is a significant amount. So maybe diversify a little bit out of that. Cody, I don't know enough about Cody. VeChain, I like VeChain, 33-cent price target. Shrapnel, don't know anything about that. Super, very bullish, immutable. I've been saying not much more upside with immutable. $12.89 is my price target. What else? Sidus, don't know anything about it. Solana, same deal as immutable. Rollbit, gambling, sure, but I don't own any. So I think I'm going to pick up Pendle here. Thoughts? I think the 50-day EMA it's close to the 50-day EMA. So $2.44, $2.50 or so. I mean, $2.60. I don't think it's a bad idea. Because I think a lot of people are eyeing the 50-day EMA, so it might not even get there. Arc block. I mean, I'm new to Arc block. It looked dead. It looked just very dead, and now all of a sudden, you know, it's holding. It's holding. So that's a good sign. I think Arc block can do very well. Yeah, no problem, Chris. Can you add Assemble Protocol and SpearX to the list? Assemble is on the list. Maybe SpearX eventually. So, yeah, XRP, talked about that. Bullish on Alchemy Pay. I've used it. It's convenient. I don't have any price targets. I don't have any analysis for you. But Planet, don't know anything about Planet. Do you hold any Call Hub? I'm going to be making a video on Call Hub very soon. I'm intrigued by it, but I need to do more research. So, Ator, talked about that already. I like it. I could see it doing very well. What do you think about the new coin Stark? I don't know anything about it. And new coins, I mean, whatever. You know, they're new, so maybe they'll do a 100x. Maybe they'll do nothing. Cody and Mina. I made a Mina price target video. So $8.69 is my price target for Mina. Cody is coming. Chlor price prediction. Yeah, Bull, I get questions about that all the time. It's too small of a market cap for me to give you any kind of confident prediction. I think there are multiple X's in order for Chlor. Yeah, I hope when you get some time, you can take a look at CKB. Do you think I missed the boat on Superverse? I know that Superverse has been going up aggressively lately. I would encourage some level of caution. Yeah, Bull, I don't know anything about Orange. I know it's pretty new, but I don't want to BS you right now. So $533 million market cap. It's going over $1 billion. I don't think you've missed. I don't think you're too late on Superverse. Starknet, what is it? I don't know. Ironfish is on my list. It's on my secondary list of cryptos to review. So I have nothing for Iron List. When you view charts, is it weekly? It's daily. The daily candles is what I'm mostly paying attention to. Jasmy, I really like Jasmy. I've made a lot of content on Jasmy on my YouTube channel here. So I have an 11-cent price target. Maybe that's too conservative, seeing that it's now at a penny. So thanks for understanding, Bull. Have you looked at Lithium Finance? I haven't, no. Bro, look at the Bitcoin chart. Let's see the Bitcoin chart. I want to see where Vail is right now first. Oh, yes. All right, Bitcoin. I don't care, Mo. I really, I mean, you're saying, bro, look at the Bitcoin chart, seeing it at 51.5. This is the week. This is the week where we would have a correction like this. Thank you, Steven. All right, sorry, I missed some stuff here. Pendle prediction, $57. Hello, Angela. Thought on Hello Labs. It's on my list, but I don't know anything about it, except for that TV show, that Shark Tank TV show that really turned me off. Pendle, good time to DCA. I think so. Yeah. Thoughts on Cello? I have given up on Cello. That's all I'll say. I had some Cello. I sold all of it. I want things that are going to run, not Cello, which is down over the last year. So I'm bullish on Honey. Demo, Deepin is going to be fire, I think. I'm with you on that, Elsa. I do have a Honey video coming very soon. Yeah, Ironfish, don't know enough. Alephium, very bullish on Alephium. I think those smaller cap layer ones can do very well. Alephium's one of those for sure. You're welcome, Steven. You got me to LCX, but do you think that Jupiter may pump more due to Solana? I mean, pump more than LCX? Not sure, but I think Jupiter is kind of like a leveraged Solana play, so I think Jupiter can do really well. So considering some risk and you had $10,000, would you buy ETH, ICP, or Solana? ICP. Artificial liquid intelligence prediction, I don't own any. I haven't looked into it. It's pretty small cap. AI, small cap AI can do very well, but I don't have a prediction for you. Yeah, Martin, I'm just behind. All right, TrueFi. Don't know anything about TrueFi. Not going to look at it right now. When do you think the peak of the bull run will be? Next year? I think we're front running. Here's my problem with next year. I've been thinking next year, but looking at the price action, this price action is very much reminiscent of January of 2021, with the total 3 crypto market cap having broken through the 236 retrace. And so you never know, but it seems to me like we're front running this, and we're going to see peaks around around like maybe late 2024. So yeah, Pendle price prediction, I missed it, $57. How do I stop the coin falling as soon as I buy it? You gotta get those guys away from you, man. Those ones who's like, he bought, dump it. He sold, pamp it. IoTex, haven't looked into IoTex all that much. I know it's doing well. I do think IoTex is going to hit a new all-time high. So Glimmer, please, don't know enough about it. That's coming. GLMR. It's on the list. I know it is. So you're going to have to wait a little bit. There it is. You're welcome, Justin. Any research? No, nothing on lithium. If stocks crash, how will this affect crypto? It's going to be pretty bad for crypto. Yeah. But, you know, we'll be scared for a bit, and then rates will go to zero. They'll turn the money printer on, and then it'll be the bull. So maybe we're either going to run this really hard, given where price action is right now, or it's going to get pretty ugly. And then after that, between those two, I would prefer to front run it. ACH breaking out of long-term accumulation. Okay. Also, if we have solar flare and this takes down the internet, how could this potentially affect crypto? It would be terrible for crypto. Crypto would be non-existent anymore. If the internet's down, then there's no crypto. And we'd have a lot of other things to be worried about. So I swapped IMX for Solana. Thoughts? Those are the two cryptocurrencies that I would say, like, they've pumped a ton and they don't have much upside to them. So, earlier you said your LCX prediction wasn't conservative. Does that mean it's a very bullish prediction? I think it's a very bullish prediction, yeah. All right, can't wait to hear about Iron Fish. Do you have a Twitter account? Yes, I do. WW Bitcoin. If Bitcoin goes down, you put it where? 618. Right here, 618 retrace. $48,753. Jupiter, haven't heard you talk about it. I've talked about it a decent amount. I'm bullish on the Solana ecosystem. I think the Solana ecosystem is going to rip. So, and if we do see Solana going to my price target of $691, then anything in the Solana ecosystem is going to do much better than that. VeChain is not tradable on Coinbase in New York. Sorry. Thank you, Verlin. When you see your 30, I'll start dropping, stock market crash. How do you sell them that fast? What? What is 618 retrace? 48.7. All right, I see that I'm mostly caught up here. I'm about to be done. So I'm gonna answer that question. What's your favorite exchange? And that's the last question in the list that I'm going to answer. So my favorite, and I'll answer that in a minute here. If the internet goes down, we have bigger problems than crypto. That's right. Yeah. Alt. I don't know what you're talking about. True Real Estate Spokane. 5K to invest Tau or ICP. ICP. I have a $2,761 price target for Tau. ICP, in my opinion, has more upside. Albert, I think T. Okay. I can watch your lives all day. Thank you, man. Good morning, Bryson. All right. What is my favorite exchange? I use so many. I mean, Coinbase, paying the $29.99 a month for Coinbase, it's pretty fantastic given the amount of trading that I do. So, Trump rules. What's up, man? I didn't know you were a subscriber. Thank you for your love, man. Can you do a video on OPSEC? Or are you a moderator? Did I make you a moderator? I wouldn't be surprised if I made you one. Oh, yeah, you are a moderator. Never mind. But I am happy to have you as a moderator. So, all right, OPSEC OPSEC video will be coming. All right, I am done. I am done for today. I hope you have a wonderful day. A wonderful rest of your week. I'll answer your question, Bull, after I end the live stream on YouTube.